If the agency is involved during a divorce, how does that play out?
Well, agency involvement in divorces is kind of a touchy subject. It really can change the course of your divorce a lot. What we see is that the agency becomes involved, and they often will slow down their process when a divorce is going on, because divorces are typically pending before a judge. And if the agency knows that a judge is overseeing the welfare of the child, then they usually are less urged to take prompt action. That doesn't mean they don't still investigate. They have the same protocol, and the protocol is not changed by agency regulations simply because there is a pending divorce case. But because there's a pending divorce case, they will say, okay, if this child is really at risk, mom can go to court and file an application to restrain dad from having access. Or if we're concerned about dad, maybe the court can simply order that dad not have contact with the child until we have a chance to investigate.
So it sounds like sometimes they take a little bit of a backseat to what the judge is requesting be done. They sort of think that the judge has the oversight on the case?
Well, it isn't so much that. It's more a matter of the judge is there to make sure the child is safe, and the judge has that responsibility. So if there's a pending court case, rather than take their prompt action and say, okay, there's imminent risk of harm here, we have to get in court within 2 court days after we remove a child, that gives us a lot of time pressure, that gives us less time to be able to do our due diligence. We will just simply refer one of the parents to the court system and say, please go to court and file an application. Let the court know that we're investigating, and then the court will reach out proactively and say, agency, what is your position on this family? And they'll say, we're investigating, give us time to investigate, and typically judges will do that. So they get themselves more time that way.